Welcome to Rad Pools. Today we're taking a road trip to the Central Valley of California. This area has a rich history rooted in farming and family. But it's the big cities that house all the contracting giants. So what happens when you're trying to build a pool in the valley? Compromise? Settle? Wouldn't you love to have access to the largest pool builder in California? But who can afford to travel around to hunt down the industry leader? Let alone pay the big city prices to bring their quality build team into the valley.
All that ends today. Welcome to the Adams Pool Solutions virtual showroom. That's right. The largest pool builder in California is bringing their world-class quality direct from the bay to your backyard.
This is totally awesome. No traffic, no fuel cost, no scheduling nightmares. Just one simple call and I book my free in-home consultation. I don't have to compromise on quality just for the convenience of staying local. It doesn't matter my style or the landscape theme I need to complement. Adams' award-winning design team brings their world-class team right to my front door. What a dream.
When you're thinking about bringing a pool into your life, you want to know you're working with the best. And when it comes to pools, Adams Pool Solutions isn't just in the business. They helped build it. Since 1953, they've been shaping what it means to have a backyard oasis. Forget the idea of some distant company swooping in with sky-high prices. The reality is, the skilled hands that will transform your yard are likely your neighbors. That's right. The heart of the best team in the business beats right here in the valley. They're part of our community, dedicated to creating something special for you. With base pools starting at $58,000, Adams Pool Solutions offers a commitment to quality and local expertise that truly stands apart.
Spring is here and it's the perfect time to bring your backyard dreams to life. We know you're eager to start enjoying your new space. So let's make it happen with a process designed to be as enjoyable as the final result. Here's how simple it is to get started. First, schedule your complimentary design estimate. This is where the design specialist explores your vision and maps out the possibilities. Next, you can truly relax because Adams takes care of all the intricate details with the building departments. They handle the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Then, simply anticipate the joy as you experience Adams' industry-leading build process, watching your vision take shape seamlessly. Finally, it's time to schedule that celebration. Your family fun is all set to make a big splash. Don't wait to create those unforgettable memories. Call today to book the best in the pool business. Reach Adams Pool Solutions at 800-675-0665, and when you call, be sure to mention that Rad Pools recommended their world-class services. That's 800-675-0665. Your best summer yet is one phone call away.